Does it look good, Daddy?
No.
What? Hello, everyone. Today we are making Oyakodon, okay, which is a Japanese dish involving some chicken, some eggs, some rice, some onions, and some other various ingredients. Yeah, Oyakodon translates roughly to parent and egg bowl. So that's what we're gonna make for you today. Yeah, we have a little helper here with me, and let's see what we can make for you guys. I'm excited to start. Okay, just to go over everything that we have here, I have some chicken thighs here. I've got our eggs, I have an onion, green onion. I have our cooking pot here. I've got some sesame oil, some cooking wine, some mirin, some rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, instant dashi powder, some sesame seeds, and some togarashi pepper, and some sancho Japanese pepper. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick rough chop here. Nothing special. Excuse me, helper. I need you behind the camera so the camera can see what I'm doing. Silly. All right, we're just gonna throw those onions right in this cooking pot here. Here we go.
Daddy, I still am interested.
You're interested? Got my root ends off here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my whites off. I'll save the greens off to the side for now. And cut these into like 1.5 inch pieces, right? Something like that. And I'll go ahead and throw that in there as well. I'm just gonna clean up some of the extra fat on these thighs here. Go ahead and clean off some of that. Get some of these bigger veins out of here. But yeah, there's not a lot of places who serve Oyakodon where I live. There's one place that I know for a fact has it, and I've never tried theirs. Maybe I will, but I've seen a lot of recipes online of this dish, and I've made it twice. This is my third time making it, and I absolutely love how simple it is. I'm just chopping up my chicken pieces here into nice small pieces. I guess like thinner strips, and then maybe I'll cut those in half. All right, so I have all my chicken kind of cubed up here, ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss all of this into my cooking pan here, okay? So simply just, grab that and kind of layer that all around right in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I make the sauce or the stock that's gonna be used to cook this. And yeah, I'll check in with you in a second. So to this, I'm gonna start with a little bit of sesame oil, which may not be super traditional at all really for this dish from what I understand, but I'm gonna go ahead and put in, I don't know, maybe like a tablespoon and a half in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of good glugs of cooking wine. I'm gonna I have a 1/4 cup here. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of some good soy sauce. And 2. And then to that, I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of mirin. Spilled a little there. No biggie. Pour that right into that. To this, I'm gonna go ahead and do just a couple of teaspoons of this instant dashi powder, okay? Sprinkle that all inside there. Another teaspoon or close to a teaspoon, all in there. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again, these are not perfect measurements by any means, guys, but you understand it, you get the idea. Okay, and there's my second one. And then to this, I have 2 cups of just, filtered room temperature water. I'm gonna go ahead and get that all covered in there. And basically we're gonna cook that down until it's reduced a little bit. It's nice and silky and kind of a smooth sauce. And then we'll go ahead and scramble our eggs, pour that in, and you'll see that go over, you know, our rice, and I'll plate it up and look nice, and we'll give it a shot. Yeah, excited to see the end product. I got my 2 helpers here. Say hi.
Hello.
My girlies are here to help Dad cook some yummy oyakodon. We're trying to figure this out, doing a whole cooking channel, having 2 kids and a house full of people, and you know, it's something that we're trying to...
See?
Oh, you want to see?
Look.
You say hi?
Hello. Hello.
It's a little bit of a learning curve, but we'll get there. What's important is that we just keep making delicious food, right?
See? Because Daddy's gonna cook. Oyakodon.
What is it called?
Oyakodon.
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 What is it called, Daddy?
Kakikon.
Oyakodon.
Kakikon.
So we got this warming up nicely, and it just started cooking really, and it already smells so good. I mean, that dashi powder, like, I don't know, there's something about it that is just so comforting, and the kitchen already smells amazing. You got Princess Hazel here. Hi, Mama. Hi, you sweet girl. Here you go, sweet girl. With some Milo hanging out as Hazel chews my tripod. As you can see, this is super reduced now. The sauce has gotten, you know, nice and thick. The onions and everything is like really, really cooked down nice and softly, okay? And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and get some eggs cracked and scramble and pour right over this. Okay, handy dandy helper. Can I have some eggs, please?
One.
Okay, one at a time, okay? So I'm gonna do 2 whole eggs. Oh! Can I have one more, please? Thank you. There's my second. All right, so I'm gonna use 2 eggs and then 2 egg yolks, okay? Coraline, can I have one more? And that's fine. Let's go ahead and throw the yolk right in there. Does Daddy's hand all look yucky from the egg? That's so silly.
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
what do I have to do next?
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and scramble it up. Do you wanna help me scramble it? Okay, I'll start and then you help me finish, okay? I'll give it a good scramble.
It looks like some eggs are in the bathtub and it's mellow. And it's bubbling.
Here, you scramble some. Give it a nice scramble.
Scramble.
Perfect, perfect. Want to see something cool, Cora?
What?
Now we just take all this and we just nicely pour this all over.
What's these chopsticks?
You'll see.
Daddy.
Oh, you know what? Let me get a couple more in there. All right, so I just scrambled up a couple more, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. That wasn't necessarily enough for this much of the dish. Just go ahead and pour that in. And then you just basically cook this down to, you know, your preference of how you want your eggs cooked. I like mine a little bit runny, but obviously I'll cook some, right? So we'll get this going, and then I'll go ahead and plate it up for you guys, and we'll do a taste test, and it's looking good. All right, so now really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and just chop up some green onion, just as a garnish for the top of the oyakodon. And I hope, I don't know, my knife skills will never be fantastic, you know, but I feel like this is slightly better than last time. There you go, something like that, right? All right, my friends, and it's as simple as that. We're pretty much done here. That's as cooked as I want my eggs, all right? I have a bowl of white rice already cooked here. I'm just gonna go ahead and plate this up really quick. And yeah, got my white rice. And let's see here. This up nicely. I mean, this smells so good. I know it doesn't look extremely appetizing, but I can assure you guys, once you try this dish, it is, I don't know, there's something so comforting about it. To this, I'm gonna go ahead and get some nice, some of that green onion. Sprinkle that right on top, just for some garnish. Make it look fresh, make it look nice. And then I'm also gonna do just a sprinkle of some sesame seeds, just to make it pretty. And then we'll do some of this Sancho pepper, right? Just a little sprinkle on top. Very nice. And like I said, just a little bit of togarashi sprinkled right on top there. I mean, that just looks beautiful. Just to finish it right up, guys, just an egg yolk right on top there. Ooh, look at it go. All right, my friends, so we got final product here. It looks so good. And I know I'm gonna love it. I mean, I love Oyakodon. Like I said, I've made this a couple times. Let's go ahead and dig right in. All right. So, mix up some of that egg yolk there. Please don't judge my chopstick skills. Not the best, but cheers, guys. Yeah, so good. The girls are playing with the flute in the background, or the recorder. Guys, Oyakodon is just one of those super comforting dishes. I don't know, something so homey and cozy about it. I can't wait to try this in Japan, you know, and have like, you know, I'll even try it in multiple places, but like I want to try like the best Oyakodon in Japan when me and some of the family get there, right? Coraline, how's it look?
No.
She's not very happy right now. But guys, cheers. I'll go ahead and see you in the next one. Try this at home, guys. This is delicious. Hope you enjoy the video. See you next time. Is it so yummy?
No. See.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
No, it's not.
This is spicy pepper. You want to try the food?
Yeah.
Try it. Mmm. Is it a little bit hot?
No.
No, it's good?
Yeah. I'm gonna see.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Good. Yum, yum. Can you say yum, yum?
Num num. Fork. Fork.
It's a fork.